Bună ziua, dragii mei, și bine v-am găsit la lecția de astăzi de limba engleză. Astăzi vom vorbi despre cum să protejăm natura, titlul fiind Conserving Nature. Lecția este pentru copilașii de clasele 5-7 care doresc să dea examenul B1 Preliminary. Ok, acestea fiind spuse, vă invităm să dați share pentru ca lecția să ajungă la cât mai mulți copii. Iar eu aici pe ecran o să vă arăt cu ce începem astăzi. Ok. Așa cum am promis, Conserving Nature. Okay. Kids, I have a question for you. How important do you think it is to conserve our nature, to take care of our nature? How important is our nature to you? Robert, for example, how important is nature to us?
I don't understand.
So,
Puteți mai spuneți o dată, vă rog?
yeah, sure. So, how important is it to take care of nature? Și cât de important este să avem grijă de natură?
To care of nature is very important because
Because, let's see, why?
because nature give us life.
Oh, exactly, okay. Nature gives us life, okay. Anasi, what do you think? Why is it important to take care of nature? Another reason. Give me another reason. Anasi? So nature gives us life, okay. And we are surrounded by nature, right? We cannot live without nature. Uite, Bianca are o idee. Yes, Bianca?
The nature, including the trees, and the trees, form, adică din copaci luăm oxigen.
Okay, so
And without oxygen, we die.
right. Okay, so we need oxygen from trees, and again, we are surrounded by nature. We live
Yes.
surrounded by nature, so we need it in all aspects of our life. Nu avem nevoie în toate aspectele vieții. Primul și cel mai important ar fi chiar respiratul. Very good. Okay. Now, we have some animals here. And first of all, in which continents or countries or parts of the world do these animals live? For example, the lion. Where does the lion live? More or less.
Can I say?
Yeah, please.
In Africa.
In Africa, okay. Where does the kangaroo live?
But you?
Yes.
In Australia.
In Australia, okay. So Robert, you're good at geography. Great. Okay. Where do we find bats? Lilieci, bats.
Europe.
Okay, Europe. Yeah, exactly. Everywhere.
Asia.
Asia also, so everywhere. Yeah, bats are everywhere. So is the bear. The bear just lives where? In forests, right? In mountain areas.
Yeah.
Okay, where can we find elephants and tigers?
Asia.
Okay, Asia more than anywhere else. And of course, the polar bear will be...
Alaska.
Okay, yeah, exactly, at the pole. Good. Do you know how this animal here is called in English? Any ideas?
Puteți spune ce este în română, că nu prea îmi dau seama ce este.
Struț.
Asta.
Okay, I'm gonna help you with that. So that's an ostrich. That's an ostrich. Okay. And here we have 8 statements 8 sentences, okay, 8 sentences about these animals, and we have to label them, deci trebuie să le etichetăm ca fiind true or false. Okay? The first, let's see, the first one, Anasi, can you please read it? I'll be just right back.
Yes.
Okay.
Tigers can swim very well. It's false.
Okay, it's false. Are you sure?
Yes.
Not really, Anasi. Tigers really can swim very well. I mean, they can if they have to, right? They don't necessarily swim because it's not their thing to do. They're cats, they're large cats, but they can swim. Okay, maybe not very well. Maybe it's false because it's not very well. They can swim, but not very well. Okay, good. I agree with you on that. Okay? Although, e cu dus întors. Nu e aici, ne zic true. Deci, de asta zic. They can swim, they just don't do it very often. Okay? Good. Bianca.
Polar bears are left-handed. False.
Yeah, it's false. They don't have a preferred hand. Okay?
Yes.
They don't even have hands. They have paws. Au labe, nu? Nu mâini.
Can I?
Yeah, please, Robert.
Kangaroos can walk backward. False.
I think this is true actually, because they hop. Kangaroos hop.
Yeah.
So I think they cannot hop backwards. Yeah, I think this is true, okay?
La asta mă gândeam și
Yeah.
mă gândeam că e aceeași chestie.
Yes, it is, okay? I mean, for us, it's easy, but when you hop, it's more difficult to hop backwards, right? Okay, Raisa, let's see number 4.
Ostriches bury their heads in sand.
So ostriches, we said that those are struții, da? Ostriches, so?
True.
It's true. It is true. Okay, good. Andrada, help us with number 5. Andrada? Oh, she's not here anymore? No. Okay, Bianca?
Elephants are afraid of mice. False.
Yeah, it's false. It's actually just a myth. E doar un mit.
Yes.
Yeah, from cartoons, yeah. But they have nothing with... I mean, think about the fact that they are very, very large. So when you're very large, you're not really afraid of many things. And yeah, just one question, Robert, before. I would like to ask you, what is the plural for mouse?
Mrs. No.
You're close. It's not mices, but mice. Mice.
Mice.
Good. Okay, this is an irregular plural. Mouse, mice. Okay. Yes, Robert.
Bats can't see anything. True.
Yes, but you skipped... or who skipped lion? We didn't talk about lions sleeping, right? Let's see. Yeah.
Lions sleep up to 20 hours a day. I think it's false.
I think it's also false because they do sleep a lot. Although it might be true, you know, because like 20 hours they sleep and just 2 hours they hunt or they eat. It could be true because they sleep a lot. They're cats. You know, cats sleep a lot. Okay. Yeah. Just yeah.
They are king. I think.
You're right. So when you're a king, you can do anything. Right. Razvan, can you hear us? Let's see. We have there, although I don't know if it's Razvan, but that's what it says. Hello? No? Okay, good. Raisa, help us with number... Oh, it's the last one. Yeah, number 8.
Bears can run as fast as horses. False.
Should we look this up? So, bears run with what... how fast do bears run?
slow, I think.
That's what a lot of people think, but they don't, actually.
Oh.
They run with 40 kilometers an hour. Think about it. We, us people, can only run with a maximum of 15, 20 something, right? However, a horse can run with up to 88 kilometers per hour. So it's actually false, yeah? So Robert, you are correct that they run slower than horses, but they don't run slowly because they still have 40. So let's put it this way. If a bear chases you, you will not be able to run as fast as he does. Yeah, you will run with a maximum of 10, 15, you kids, yeah, kilometers per hour, and he will run with 40. So, yeah, but it is false, yeah, because horses can run to up to 80 kilometers per hour, okay? Right.
Acum să leagă de ce urși mănâncă oameni.
Right. Well, yeah, that's a whole other story, but yes. Right, so we have discussed a little bit about this, animals, okay, and a few fun facts about them, right? Let's see how we do with some words. We're gonna have a text and we're gonna need to fill in the text with the suitable words, okay? But before that, let's see. We have a table here, okay? And we need to transform, okay, the nouns into, the verbs into nouns, okay? So let's see. The first one has been already done for us as an example. Admire, admiration, right? Let's see what else we have here. Announce. I will ask Anasi, please help us with announce. And we have 3 categories, right? Nouns that end in ment, in ation, and in ion. Okay. So, what do we do with announce?
I think it's Asian. Announcement.
Announcement. It's actually announcement. Right?
Yes.
Okay. How about attract? Anna, still. Okay, Robert, yes? Can help
Attraction.
us?
Attraction.
Attraction, okay. And Robert, please help us with celebrate as well.
Celebration.
Celebration, okay. And collect?
Collection.
Collection, good. Thank you very much. Okay. Let's see, Bianca.
Complete, complement.
No, it's completion, actually. Completion.
Okay,
Okay.
Confirm,
It's like in Romanian, if it helps. Confirm.
conformant.
No, confirmation.
Confirmation.
Confirmation. Okay, confirmation.
Connect, connection.
Connection, good.
Create, creation.
Creation, yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Let's see who else wants to help us. I had here, okay, Raisa.
Developation.
Na, development. Development, care înseamnă? Avem idee ce înseamnă? Nu?
A dezvolta.
Na, dezvoltare. Yeah? Dezvoltare. Oh, ok, good. Mai departe. Raisa, help us with disappoint and discuss, please.
Disappoint.
Can I say?
Yes, Robert?
Disappointment.
Disappointment, dezamăgire, nu? Hai să zicem și ce înseamnă. Ok. Completion ce însemna? Că nu l-am zis? De la complete, completion? Completare. Completare. Ok, good. Disappoint, am zis disappointment, dezamăgire, ok. Raisa, how about discuss?
Discussion.
Yeah, very good. Discussion, care e discuția, nu? Ok,
Yes.
hai să vedem, nu prea mai am loc, acum le zicem. Educate. Ce facem cu educate, Anasi?
Education.
Education, good. Ok, continue, please.
Enjoy. Enjoyment.
Ok. Yes, continue.
Entertain.
Entertain. Și entertain ce înseamnă?
Divertisment.
Exactly, ok. Entertainment, divertisment. Yes. And, Anasi, do you need help?
Examination.
Examination, that's it. Okay. Good. Bianca, help us, please. Excite.
Yes, excite,
Excitement.
Excitement, ok? Și excitement ar fi, s-ar traduce cu? Încântare, bucurie mare, right? Excitement. Ok. Ok, improve. Ce facem cu improve?
Improvement.
Ok, Robert, hai să lăsăm și pe Bianca și după aia. Yes, improvement, care înseamnă în română, it's ok. Ce improvement?
improviza,
Na, to improve a îmbunătăți. Deci îmbunătățire, ia?
ok.
Improve, improvement, îmbunătățire, ok. Inform?
informant.
Not really.
So if information.
Ok, information, that's it. Information, good. Ia să vedem, Robert, mai ajută-ne la invent?
Invention.
Ok, and invite?
Environment.
Are you sure? Invitation. Did you receive an invitation to the wedding? Ok. Bun, mai departe, Raisa, move.
Movement.
Movement, yes. Și s-ar traduce cu?
Mișcare.
Very good, yes. Pollute?
Pollute. Pollution.
Pollution, ok. Poluare, good. Prevent. Ce facem cu prevent, Anasi? A preveni înseamnă prevent și prevenire?
Preventment.
Na, prevention. Bun, prevenire, ok. Și protect? Protection, ok, this is clear. Bun, protecție. Mai departe, ia să vedem Bianca, relax.
Relax.
Relaxation, ok. Replace? Replacement. Și ce înseamnă, Robert?
A se rearanja sau...
Nu chiar rearanja, cât a înlocui. Yeah? To replace? Așa, înlocui, deci replacement, înlocuire. Bun. Reserve?
Reservation.
Ok. And translate? Translation, traducere, nu? Înseamnă. Good. Okay, before we move on to the next exercise, where we will have the verbs here and we'll have to transform them into nouns and fill the text with it, so it's a little bit more challenging. But before that, I would like us to do this fun exercise here, okay? So, we will have 2 minutes to think about 2 statements about animals, and we will tell them to the group, okay, to the class, and we'll have to guess whether the statements, deci dacă afirmațiile, are true or false. Like in the example, okay? Și hai să facă fiecare, putem să decidem, fie ambele adevărate, fie una adevărată, una falsă, fie ambele false, ca să fie mai interesant, să nu știm. Da? Ok? Hai să vedem. Luăm o foaie, we'll take a piece of paper and we'll think of two statements. It can be about...
Trebuie neapărat să scriem pe foaie, adică eu pot să le țin și...
Sure, you can do that. You can remember them if you want. You can memorize.
Trebuie să fie neapărat despre animalele din imagine sau despre
No.
animale?
Urma să spun acum că poate fi despre orice animal. Ia? Ia să vedem. 2 minuțele. Deci două propoziții.
I have two.
Just a moment, Robert. Stai puțin. Wow, ce rapid ești. Eu nici nu am încă. Stai puțin. Eu sunt abia la prima.
Any animal.
Yes, any animal. Yes.
Okay.
I finish.
Ok. Ia să vedem. Acum am terminat și eu. Robert, please start. So.
Kangaroos are not good at fight.
Kangaroos are not good at fighting?
Yeah.
Okay, let's guess, class. Is this true or false?
False.
False. They are good at fighting, right?
Yeah.
Good. And the next one?
And pink penguins has not cum se zice?
Don't have knees. Penguins don't have knees. What do you think? True or false?
Sorry, please repeat.
He said penguins
understand.
don't have knees. Nu au genunchi.
True.
I think it's false. So what's the answer, Robert?
It's true.
It's true.
They don't have.
They don't have knees. Wow, good job, Anasi. Ok. Mai departe, ia să vedem. Cine mai are? Bianca, ce idee ai?
You hear me?
Yes, now yes.
Yeah.
So?
Okay. The dog don't bite people.
Dog don't bite people. Is that true? Dogs, sorry. Dogs don't bite.
False.
False.
Well, it is false because they can bite. Oh, they don't bite people often, but they do bite people, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have another one? Yeah.
The cat is very lazy.
The cats are very lazy. The cat is very lazy.
Yeah.
True. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Raisa, do you have any idea?
Yes.
Yes.
The bear is running very slow.
Bears run slow. Is that true?
False.
False. We've just established, okay? And?
Lions are very small animals.
Lions are very small animals. True or false?
False.
False. I mean, now it depends. If you compare lions to a whale, then they are very small animals. So I think it all depends on our perspective, yeah? But generally, I'd say it's false, yeah? Okay. Anasi, yes, please.
Lions are very lazy.
Lions are very lazy. True or false, class?
False.
False. False? I would say it's true, Anasi. What? I don't know.
True.
True. They are, right? We've established they sleep a lot. Okay. And the second one?
Dogs eat small cats.
True or false? False.
True.
Right.
What?
True?
True. Yes.
Uh,
My friend's dog ate small cats.
Right. So okay. Now the problem is that we have a difference between a particular case, right, and general. So
Yeah.
generally they don't do that. Okay. Of course,
Yes.
things may happen, but generally, okay, they don't. I also have two. So I said, cats have 9 lives.
Yes.
True or false?
True.
True? Everyone? No, it's false actually. It's also a myth. E la fel cu mitul cu elefantul și șoarecele, care se sperie de șoarece, right? So it's a myth.
Yes.
They actually have just one life. If they die, they die. Unfortunately. And I also have one with penguins, Robert. Penguins can swim to a depth of 500 meters. Deci pot înota la o adâncime de până la 500 de metri.
true.
Yes, indeed, it is true. Yeah, they can do that. And it's a lot if you come to think about it. Wow. Okay, moving on. So let's focus on the text we have here, which is a text about global warming and everything, nature, conserving nature. So I will write the words on the chat because I have to move the page, okay? So I'll quickly write them on the chat for everyone. Pay attention that we don't have to use these words. We have to use the nouns formed from this word. Deci substantivele, da? De la verbe. Good. Can everyone see them on the chat? Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
So now let's take a look at the text. Okay. Who would like to start? Robert?
Yeah. Immediate. NASA scientists are aiming to get useful information about global warming from the latest
So now you check the chat.
yeah,
From their latest
connection.
poate ar fi. So, the scientists are aiming to, deci doresc să, nu? Au scopul de a get useful information about global warming, încălzirea globală, nu? Asta e global warming, from their latest invent. Și cum îl facem substantiv? Trebuie să-l facem substantiv. Anasi? Invention. Okay, from their latest invention. Arctic rubber ducks. Ce înseamnă rubber? Duck, știm?
Rubber duck.
Cauciuc.
Cauciuc, bun, rubber e cauciuc. Deci rubber duck, rățușcă de cauciuc. Arctică, zic ei. Arctic rubber ducks. Ok. Hai să vedem. Să vedem ce experiment au făcut ei, Anasi?
They have put 19 of the toys into holes in a Greenland glacier, a huge mass of ice moving in the
Can I say
Yes, Bianca?
connect of
Connection. Ar trebui să-l facem substantiv. Deci connect, moving in the connection. Not really. Moving in the...
connection of the sea.
It's not connection. It's not connection. Hai să facem altfel. Nu vă zic acum. Vedem la următoarele și ce rămâne, da? Bun.
Moving of the sea.
Na. Ok. Lăsăm. Bun. They hope that... Ia să vedem cine ne ajută. Bianca?
Okay. They hope that iceberg and pieces of ice with the dog inside will melt and then be found by local people. this will tell the scientists a lot about the moving.
Așa, e de la move, numai că movement. Am zis că e substantivul, nu? The movement of the glacier. Why this is?
Is faster in summer and it's
Cred că aici ai zis tu mai înainte, Bianca. Connection. Very good. It's connection
with global warming.
Ok. Deci, am înțeles. Deci, o să ia 90 de rățuște de cauciuc, o să le pună în găurile care sunt în acest ghețar, glacier ghețar, nu? Și ei speră că icebergul se va topi și rățuștele vor rămâne acolo și vor fi găsite de oamenii care locuiesc în zonă. Și atunci asta la ce va ajuta? Le va spune oamenilor de știință despre mișcarea ghețarului, nu? În ce direcție, cât de repede, ok, se mișcă. And the connection with global warming, nu? Conexiunea cu încălzirea globală. În ce mod asta se leagă de încălzirea globală? Ok. Raisa, help us, please.
Each dog has the word science experiment and the reward on it with
two other languages. Ce poate fi?
translate
Ok, translation, nu? Substantivul.
translation into two other languages.
Ok, good. Let's see. Bubu, can you help us next? Is she here or no? I think not. Okay. Robert?
Yeah, there is also an email address and an connection. No.
Atenție că e în. Deci trebuie să înceapă cu o vocală, nu dacă e în. We have a vowel there. În. Aha.
Invitation to write to NASA.
Ok, deci pe rățuște, pe lângă că este scris Science Experiment și Reward, care înseamnă... Robert, hai că tu te joci. Recompensă, premiu, ok, good. Așa, deci pe lângă aceste două lucruri mai este și o adresă de e-mail și o invitație de a scrie către NASA. Wow! Ok. Anasi?
So far, through the disappointment of the scientist, nobody has mailed.
That is correct. Okay. Bianca?
Yeah. But they believe the
Invention l-am avut sus.
Translate.
Does anyone have any ideas? The attraction of a big reward, nu? Will bring results. Deci, e atrăgător când auzim de un premiu mare, nu? O recompensă. So, that's it, the attraction, okay? And the last one, Raisa, let's see. Raisa?
So, if you find a NASA rubber duck on a beach near you, it should be a cause
This could be a cause for celebration, right? For celebration, because you might just get a big reward, okay? And what is left here at 3? What is number 3? We said that we will leave it
Disappointment.
for now. Nana?
No.
Direction.
Yes, very good. So moving in the direction of the sea, deci în direcția mării. Ok.
Doamna, la noi aici, la Marea Neagră, e puțin probabil să găsim așa ceva.
Da, categoric, că n-avem nici ghețar în zonă, right? So this happens somewhere far away from us, right?
Yes.
Oh, out the ocean.
Yes, because it says Arctic rubber ducks, right? So probably the Arctic Ocean, yeah. So yes, far away from us, okay? And so to me, this was a very interesting experiment, right? And it shows that we can use regular objects to test different things, okay? We don't necessarily need complex mechanisms. Sometimes we can just use something that we call toys, right? Okay, good. So thank you for joining us today.